Habang uso. Artista ka eh, no? Ang hilig mong ano, no? Magpa-camera, oh. Ay! Naku, tumutunog pa yung uso.
Ah, Blackpink!
Ayaw na. Sa pagod na nakahaba ang uso yan. Ano yan, baliktad ng uso nito.
First, you must love each other, and then you must talagang, kailangan mag-usapan mo talaga kayo, magkakaalaman kayo, because, halimbawa
Yuri Mackenzie.
may mga children kayo,
Nguso-nguso. Ay, ayaw na. Ay, hindi na po. Hindi na. Hindi na po. Hindi na po.
ang ginawa ko, kasi magkaiba kami ng religion, ang ginawa ko, I changed it. Simple. She didn't ask me. Kung sinabi niya sa akin na kailangan ako magpalit, siguro hindi ako magpapalit. Pero dahil decision niya ko, yeah, but it was a decision that I hindi na tinanong.
Okay,
Converted, I thought he was talagang relieved. No, he was just flabbergasted because he had not even tried to, you know, convince you. He did not try because, but I felt that, alam mo,